pearl right now, and I give some food here and water.
Cutie little darling, my heart is starting
She have water.
to beat a
So I
little
want her
faster.
to
Oh, what a
isolation for a while.
sweet disaster when you are near me. Can you even hear me? Cutie little darling, I'm hoping that you'll see. You can ask the moonbeams, they feature in my daydreams, telling all the songbirds and all the hummingbirds. Cutie little darling.
She will jump later on here, and after that she will go out.